sa mga shoutout dyan, mga tropa beats. Mag-enjoy to the game. Shoutout dyan, mga tropa beats. Start natin, mga tropa beats. Enjoy to the game. May career tayo. My career. Shoutout na pala si shoutout dyan. Yung standing natin mga tropa beats. Standing natin 1919. Win 19. Lose 19. Okay. Okay. Hornets ang ating kalaban, mga tropa beats. Ang standing ng Hornets nakikita okay. Pangwala tayo sa East Conference, mga tropa beats. Pangwala tayo sa East. Ang muna, Pacer, Cavaliers, 76, Knicks, Bulls, Bucks, Hawks, Heat. Okay, simulan natin mga tropa beats. Red, black, white. Pamili ko natin black or red tayo. Okay, simulan na mga tropa beats.
Rap party in the theater today. We are going 3v3, and we've got some members of the community joining us here today. So let's introduce our members right now. We've got Dacro Megan and
Up next, the Heat taking on the Hornets.
Okay.
Is the
Simulan na, let's rumble.
TK Sports for the latest presentation of our NBA basketball. I'm Kevin
Ayun o, may mga bansa tayo, mga tropa beats. So, nakikita yung picture natin, no? Diba?
Look at the starters for the
Mga picture natin na yun, no? Kaya natin,
Miles Bridges is
may mga apat bansa tayo, mga tropa beats, eh. Sa audience.
Rozier's out there with
Buwan na buwan kasi natin sa ipin natin. Okay, simulan na.
conference rivals great butting heads in this one. How does that
Ako ko wala. Ako. Home court natin mga tropa beats. 2 points lang muna. 2 points lang, eh. Ano masok? Pasok muna. Mantay lang tropa, mga tropa. Mantay mo lang yan. Sige mo lang dito. Wala, sabay. Nice. Pasa sa akin, pasa. Wait lang. Pasok mo na sa gitna yan. Saka ako natira. Good job. Number 69. Oh, 3.
There's a pass to Bridges.
Mantay lang tropa, ha? Mantay lang. Mantay mo lang yan. Uy. Mantay tayo. Iwan tayo na dyan. Iwan tayo mga tropa beats. Ignore. Yan. Mga good job na akin. Diba? Kaya mo yan? Sige, kaya mo yan, ha? Sige. Yan. Kaya mo pala eh. Bantay lang. Uli yan, uli. Uy. Uli na yun. Uli. Uli agad yun. Quiet. Quiet. Now, nagiging itong, ano eh, kawaw na kawaw eh. Replay tayo eh.
Williams passes to Bridges. Pocket six.
Patay.
Ball.
Yan, good job. Kasi lang tropa. Pasa mo muna sa akin. Pasa mo muna sa akin. Sa akin, balik mo. Pasa mo sa akin. Yan, good job. O, sasalaksakan ko na. Ano, Stewart. 3-1 siya, mga tropa beats. Easy layup na. O, atin na bola. Okay. Kasi lang, tawag tayo. Pasa mo balik sa akin. Pasa mo sa akin. Yan. Pesto kayo. O, iwan na naman o. Iwan na naman siya, mga tropa beats.
Hornets have gone just 1-4 to get this game started.
Iwan naman siya, mga tropa beats. O, batay lang mga tropa.
Outside mark.
Batay mo lang yan. O, di ba? Atin, ano ba to? Pasa. Yan, kabila, kabila. Ayaw kumakbo. O, sa'yo na.
Here's Wallace.
Ayaw na yan. Pa. 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 Hindi ka magpag-i. Kaya mo yan eh. Kaya mo eh.
Over up on top.
Mabantay lang, tropa. Ano? Wala, yung kaya na ito. O. Ano nga ba? Buti na lang, tanga eh. Buti na lang, tanga, tako. O. O. Oy. Eh. Hila ko na. Ayaw siya ka. Control pa, please. Ayaw mo ito mga krokoy. 14-2. Isang dosena ang naman natin mga tropa beats. Diba? Naliwag na yung mga scope natin. Mantuwa na yung mga ano natin, mga panis natin, mga tropa beats. Naliwag na sila.
Big Bridges. He's checked in for Williams. Williams comes in for
May isang malapit lang.
Freeman. He's checked in for Martin. And it's Micic in for Ball.
Yan naman ang nalo sa atin yan. Uy, depensa lang.
Outside.
Pantuman lang mga tropa beats. Kung nakakawag double team, wala namang malakas din eh. Oh. Yan, swing sa akin dito. Swing. Ayaw mong swing. Okay, bantay lang kayo dyan. Oh, iba na yan. Wow. Diba? Wala nang tumagawa, kundi ipaw na lang tayo mga tropa beats. Iwan na eh. Ang ginawa niya, pinaw na lang.
Free throw good from Boss.
Diba? Hindi tayo sasagay dyan. Home court natin yan. Sasabay ba tayo?
1:49 left in the first. Miller outside.
Pantay lang tropa. Ano? Oh, save ko.
Richard.
Oh, uy, iwan ako. Sorry mga tropa beats. Sorry. Lahat naman na spring gago eh. Para, yan. Bawi naman tayo bawi. O, sa'yo. Hindi ka dyan ha. Yan. Nawi naman natin yan eh.
We've got 1:13 left in the first quarter.
18-7. 1 minute. Okay. Isa lang, tropa. Kaya mo ba? Sige, salapit mo. Ano ba pala eh. Kala ko kaya mo eh.
Miller
Ay, iwan. Yun, buti na lang. Uy,
That's good. And Spiller with the
ano
assist.
na? Sinaro ka muna. Hintay pa tayo ah. Okay. Kaya natin siya. Oh,
Here's Moss. He started by Williams.
oh para sa'yo. Eh! Eh!
And passes to Williams.
Diba? Tambak. 21-9. 26 seconds.
First quarter. Here's Vicic
Ay, libang. Ano? Okay,
for three.
okay, libang. Baba na mga tropa. Last shot tayo.
Teams came together as also in this
Baba na.
able to win.
Ako na bala. Oh, yan tayo titira ng oras guys. Eh, ano pala? Okay, mga tropa beats. Tapos na ang first quarter, mga tropa beats. Shoutout sa mga shoutout dyan. Wala na ang second quarter. 20, nilabas tayo mga tropa beats. 21-9.
Changes here in the second. And a moment here to take a look at the scoring breakdown for Miami.
Manood muna tayo ang laro nila. Foul. Panoodin muna natin yung laro ng mga natin. Kaya na tayo sumama.
We've got Sarah Rozier. He's out there with Tyler Hero, and it's Adebayo in at the center. That's the group of the game for the Heat.
Okay, mayroon.
And he knocks down
Saan na tayo mga tropa beats?
the whole new group on the floor. So an almost
41-23 mga tropa beats.
mid-Bridger. He's checked in.
Yun na lang tayo ha.
Frank Williams comes in.
Balik. Balik.
Checked in for Cody Martin.
Sorry.
Vicic in
Oh, iwan na to. Iwan na yan. Iwan na yan.
It's Samar.
Oh, di ba?
Pauses at 17.
Makes up for a lack of speed with just tremendous effort.
20 ang lamang natin mga tropa beats. Tampak pala na.
Gives us a chance now to
Uy.
turn it over to Nate Albright.
Ay. Oh, di ba? Ating bola. Yan, bola pa. Tambak malala kalaban natin mga tropa beats. Oh, double naman. Oh, kahit na yung kalaban, no?
Let them lose that game. We'll see if he comes in with that.
Kahit na ang kalaban natin, mga tropa beats.
They try to double him, might force him to
Sabi naman naman.
or force him to make plays with the
Ay,
pass instead.
patay.
Just to the
Sige na lang, ah.
so good.
They have been poor.
Balik, asa sa akin. Asa mo na sa akin, ha? Mas ganito sa akin. Para maka,
And it's been a
ano ba?
well-rounded performance. I mean, strong rebounding has certainly been at the center of it.
Iwan na.
Been good on a number of
Iwan na. Iwan mo na lang. Iwan.
Here's Boss.
Oh, diba? Wala. Buhay tayo eh. 20, ano, tambak mo na lang 20.
Play in the first half.
43-23. Second quarter pa lang yun, ha? O, pasa. Pasa na. Baka umasa eh. Yun, sige na. Yun lang nga tayo sa labas. Eh! Tayo mo sila mga tropa pigs.
So far, when they beat the basket, they've turned to him.
And the Hornets call time here.
He does not look happy. The defensive rebound.
Tayo mo mga tropa pigs na mga laban natin mga tropa pigs. Hindi mo na yung mga ano natin, no? Dancer natin, no? O, diba? Neng-neng, no? Mas-neng. Mas-neng. Okay. Tama na kayo.
And an interesting look here at the top. Assistant point guard.
Pinalitan naman yata tayo mga kapatid sa.
One of the hallmarks of being a premier point guard in the NBA. Fourth, LaMelo Ball.
And these are the best passers in the NBA. No
Oh, Ivan.
doubt it. Every one of them is willing and able to do a 4-0 out there and make sure the offense is running at full speed. And that's the thing to me. I mean, as exceptional as their assist numbers are, it's their leadership and ability to direct their offense. That's what makes them stand out.
Ivan yan.
Getting to the line a lot in this quarter, guys, and it hasn't been by
Nakasal
accident.
ko na to.
Yeah, I don't think it's an accident that aggressiveness
So, yan.
correlates with playing better. So the aggressiveness is starting to pay off.
Lead on offense.
Basa.
16 to 4.
Basa. Iwan na to.
Boss.
Uy, smooth lang.
Williams. And so it's Ball with it. He brings it up for the Hornets.
Sablay na tayo ngayon.
Micic's shot is good. Micic has got 4 points.
46-27. Namang 46-27. Mga kapatid. Saan tayo? Uy, muntik pa mawala. Pasa mo na sa akin. Yan, di sila mga tropa. Ako na bahala. Iwan na to eh.
There's 25 seconds
Iwan na to.
left to play in the
Iwan.
second quarter.
O pasa.
Pass to
Tira.
Jokic. Puts the move on.
Yan.
And the layup is up and in. Jokic just got his first 2 points of the night.
Unwilling to let up, even for a moment. That's his killer instinct.
O, yan, face ko yun. Uy.
Yeah, I love the fact
O, pasa. 10 seconds na lang. O.
he doesn't know how
Pasa.
to gas pedal.
Pasa na.
On the path to Ross. Fires the three.
Uy.
After 1 half, it hasn't even been close.
Number 69. Oh, 3.
We'll be back shortly live from Miami Arena.
51-27. Tapos na po ang first half.
And with a big gap on the scoreboard, the second half begins with very different goals for these teams.
Second half naman from this third quarter.
One side trying to protect their lead.
51-27.
It's been sensational.
Well, he was putting on a passing clinic in that first half, set up a lot of their mates. And you know, that's what delights him most. That's what he takes most pride in.
Ayan.
Being the chief facilitator.
Ang
On
pasa.
the court for Charlotte. The guard, Malco.
Okay ka.
Williams
Iwan na naman.
Bridges. And it's Miller in a 3 spot.
Anis.
Boss,
Wala.
no good. Charlotte shooting at a
Hindi
32%.
pumasok yun ah.
They're just not executing. Loads it up.
Patay.
Williams.
Magaling mag-win.
Mid-range game when you were playing, you think it would have been hard to stretch your game out to 3, like a lot of guys are doing now.
You know what, Kevin? It's interesting. I was actually starting to try to add the 3-point shot.
Kaya ko siya gusto yun. Nakatempang lang kayo yun.
My development. So I don't think
Oh,
it's
wala.
hard. It's a matter of putting the work in. And shooting is one of those skills in the game that can really be
Oh, pasa. Pasa.
good mechanics
Tira.
and just
Yan. Good job.
Gets it to go.
Yan.
From Automayo.
May sure po yun siya eh. Kabayo eh. Kadubayo eh.
Ball, the pass to Miller.
Kadubayo. Kabayo. Ngayon, ako dito.
And it's out of bounds. The Heat will take it the other way.
Diba? Diba?
Miller putting up about 18 points per 4 rebounds.
Ang back malala niya eh.
Even though his numbers have been more than solid, I think he'll want to step his game up.
Tumakan ba natin?
Yeah, and you know, on paper, those numbers are terrific.
Oh, sige, tumakan ba natin?
Those numbers. But as good
Wala.
as they are, I know this guy expects more of himself.
Trahan, he's checked in for Charlotte. And it's Miller in the corner. Buries the long-range jumper. Miller's got 6.
54-32. Pasa. Wait lang. Presto ka. Ayun.
Here's Moss.
Tira.
By Bridges.
Ano? Nilabas pa?
Literally a foul against the whistle and 2 shots coming up.
Dami kasing pwede eh.
Visitor Silver has acknowledged the game has changed in terms of its impact on players' bodies. And so adjusting the regular season swing is not
Tinulok si ano, Adebayo.
I've talked about it for years. I've talked about it with other fellow announcers. It would be wonderful to see the season reduced by about
Adebayo.
15-20%
Adebayo.
in terms of
Adebayo.
season.
Adebayo.
I think it would enhance the product
Tapos
immensely.
tayo, Djokovic.
The fact that Commissioner Silver is
Pahinga ng muna daw tayo.
off the table, maybe we'll see it reduced in
Magpahinga
the
tayo.
distant future.
And Miami making a change here.
Tapos muna natin mga pinatid para sa maglaro.
Such a big role in Adebayo's game. This guy is a worker. Doesn't mind getting his hands dirty if it means getting his team ahead.
Here's Man. Lays it up off the glass. Man's got his second bucket of the game to go.
I like this execution coming out.
3 minutes and 44 seconds.
So far.
56-34 ang score mga tropa kids.
Here's Hopkins.
Yun na, good job.
With the bucket.
And no matter what they've tried, the D just has
Yeah.
not been able to deny them the ball inside.
Kailangan natin muna sila. Maglaro.
Taken away.
Oh, Ivan, pasa na. Yan. Salpak na.
And terrific to see Adebayo putting up big numbers. He's continuing to grow.
Sab na tayo. Ayaw ko yung nanonood ako.
And you know, that's going to be the focus of this timeout. They need to come up with a spark to get the offense going.
35 seconds na lang. Yan, nasa tayo.
Nick Richards. He's checked in.
Ano kaya kaya ito?
Williams comes in for Richards.
Wala pa to.
Checked in for Martin.
Asan?
And it's ball
Yan.
in for
Oh, wait lang.
And he has
Sila mga tropa.
confidence out there.
Oh, iba na.
A single field goal made it.
Wala. Pasa ulit sa akin, pasa.
Richardson.
Busin na natin ang oras.
Shot clock at 6. Here's Boss.
Wala. Kaya naman nandaling ka tayo mga tropa kids.
Here's Mincic.
Di ba? Okay. 71-48. Mga tropa kids. Tambak man na lang mga kalaban natin mga tropa kids.
Setting us up. We'll get right back to the action when we return. Here now a chance to
Tambak man na lang mga tropa kids.
And it's presented as always by State Farm.
Last quarter na mga tropa kids.
Hey, the big fella here
Ano?
with
Ang paso.
of dimes. What a plus it is to have a post player who's got this.
Assist of the game.
Boy, that's a nice
Mga
asset
tropa
to
kids.
have. It's a huge boost to any offense too. It adds a whole nother dimension when you've
Oh,
got a big
hindi na, wala nang talo yun ha. Baka matalo pa yan.
And as we head into the fourth, we'll
Oh,
see
basta.
if the comeback
Okay.
works or if it's more of the same from the first three quarters. Taylor Martin out
Yan,
there.
Ivan. Oh.
And it's Tyler Hero. Then there's Terry Rozier. And it's Jovic in the 5 roaming the paint.
Pagpasa mo na.
4 for Miami.
Oh. Yan.
18 feet away. And good. As it just snugs right down.
73-48. Mga tropa kids.
play. It's no surprise. He's
Wala na to.
ready. He can score from any spot.
Hindi na mga habol to. Mga tropa kids.
Battle so far. And it's
Pasa mo na. Pasa mo na sa akin.
level they've has been outstanding. Hard to keep a team down.
Anak libre ha.
That much energy.
Oh, iba na.
Here's Boss.
Hindi tayo makashoot ha. Labas. Labas mo na. Ay. Hindi na buwa.
From him very often, especially
Sorry tropa ha.
Outside Martin.
Okay.
Has the ball. Charlotte moving the ball around. Miller right side. Front pass.
Rebound.
It's good from long range.
and he's finally
51-73 mga tropa kids.
second three of the half right there.
Basa mo na.
And a half of basketball play here.
Yan. Ang babantay oh.
Here's Boss.
And so much for
Alam mo babantay, wala rin naman.
in the first half.
Wala.
Here.
Oh, diba?
Miami leading by
Wait
26.
lang, huwag ka lang humingi pa ng bola. Hingi ka pa eh.
Greg Locke.
Awa ko naman eh, hingi pa.
The importance of mental
Oh,
health
diba na?
is so necessary.
Wala pa rin.
stress now.
Ano pong kayo po?
Really grown. These players are under this huge microscope that now it extends
Malabas na tuloy tayo, mga tropa beats.
such a highly competitive environment. It is
73-53, 20 ang lamang mga tropa beats. 3 minutes and 54 seconds na lang ang nalalagin natin mga tropa beats.
the fans aren't always privy to.
Comeback malala sa lahat mga tropa beats. Mga 2 minutes, 83-61. Nagmamagic yung score eh. Para saan natin eh. 83-61 naman tayo mga tropas. Tambak malala kalaban natin. Uy! Matay to ito.
You know, as a playmaker,
Yung ganun pala yun.
off the defender and drop dimes with either hand.
Yung ganun pala yun. Wala tayong ganun.
Here's Moss. Defended by Richard.
May ganito naman tayo.
Moss.
Wala pa rin. Wala pa rin.
Pass to man.
Huli. Karen, ikaw ba?
Daniels ran off the
Ba- basa.
start from downtown.
Basa.
You're on the wing.
Yun o. O, diba? Floating.
That's good on the exit by Rozier.
Winning in strong fashion. A relentless effort notches a W.
As one-sided as it gets today, you know, there were some dominant moments in about every facet of this game for that team.
Yeah, I mean, Kevin, it's hard to think of what didn't go right for them.
Basa.
Gameplay by the coaches, execution by the players, everything
Oh,
was
basa.
on target.
Mali.
And a milestone win for the season. This will push their victory total to 20 wins even.
Look pa rin o. Dito tayo makiscore. Dami na natin tira. Hindi pasok.
Making every play they needed to en route to winning all 4 of their games this year.
Lapit na lang tayo, lapit.
The one player that really stands out, of course,
Basa.
it was a dazzling game for
Ayun o.
Moss.
Sumbi ako.
Boy, this game really had his name all over it.
Sumbi ako. Yan o.
He carried the load offensively.
Yan. Dito lang tayo.
Fires it up.
Hindi tayo makiscore sa labas eh.
They made the most of
Konting
it,
lapit lang.
looking comfortable and locked in throughout the night.
Boy, they've given their fans plenty to cheer about, that's for sure. Effort, skill, coaching, you name it. They've done it.
87-63.
2 seconds separating the shot clock and game.
Wala nang oras.
Richards with it.
Talo sila mga tropa PH.
It's holding in.
Talo na. Wagi tayo mga tropa PH. Yay!
And so Miami takes this one by a big margin. And the outcome of this one.
Ha?
And boy, they really
Wagi tayo mga tropa PH.
effort. It just felt like once they had that lead and it was comfortable, they were not going to
Win na win.
David Aldridge, Greg Anthony, and Clark Kellogg.
Win na win tayo mga tropa PH. Win na win.
So long and good night, everyone.
Win na win tayo mga tropa PH. Next game natin, sino kalaban natin mga tropa PH? Wait lang. Next game.